Oh, hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm not very good, but I am good, and I'm not very good, but I am good. How are you? How are you? Today we're talking about the S24 security update. S24 security update because I just got it 38 hours ago, and in no other time or whatever. It's late, they reckon, but I don't care because my phone apparently is not international like the one that I'm talking about. Update. Wrong. But it works. It's available now. This one here coming up.
Samsung S24 Security Update System updates Google Search. Search results. Featured snippet from the web. To check for the update, simply navigate to your device's settings software update download and install. If the update is available, follow the prompts to complete the installation. 1 hours ago. https://panay.news updates. Hey y'all. S24 Ultra user, here in Middle East, is it normal that I'm not getting the August security update yet? My phone is the international version and 2 days ago, is there a way to update that, without using any unofficial links? And without reset 2,983,814. 3 days ago, S24 Ultra August security update available now. Software update for S24 Ultra in Galaxy S 17th June 2024. Android auto malfunctioning after May. Update in 6 days ago. It includes the August 2024 security patch that fixes nearly 50 security vulnerabilities discovered in the previous software version. It doesn't bring any new. The August security update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus has been out for over a week and a half. What's up with the update along with the other monthly? 2 key moments in this video. Galaxy S24 Plus August update, performance and battery updates. Micah Woods. 2 days ago, August 2024 security update brings a crucial patch for a bug affecting the Xflix GPU driver on the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and A54 5G. 7 days ago, June 2024 software security update. Galaxy S23 Plus in Galaxy S 17th June 2024. June 2024 software / security update in Galaxy S 6th of December 2024. Already updated to One UI. 7 hours ago, Samsung is rolling out a new software update to its latest Fan Edition smartphone, the Galaxy S23 FE. It offers the August 2024 security patch to the 6 days ago. Samsung's August security update is now widely available for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S23, and Galaxy S22 series. 6 days ago, Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphones have received the August 2024 security update in more countries. 1 day ago, some of these technologies are technically essential to provide you with a secure, well-functioning and reliable website. We would also like to set optional /non. 3 days ago, Samsung is expanding the availability of the August 2024 security update to more of its devices. The company recently provided the new firmware to the Open app. This content isn't available. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra software update FJ. 2 views. 6 minutes ago. More. Dominican power 114.3K. Missing security. Show results with security. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra software update FJ. Dominican power 100. 4 days ago, the August SMR for Galaxy devices patches dozens of vulnerabilities across Android OS Galaxy components and Samsung semiconductor chips. The Korean firm has 6 days ago, August software update. Galaxy S21 FE 5G green lines issue on display. Also problem with back cover pane in Galaxy S Monday. Galaxy S24 update delayed, One UI. Samsung is providing up to 7 years of security updates and operating system upgrades, starting with the Galaxy S24 series. Also, robust security. 1 day ago, furthermore, Samsung is also preparing a significant software update based on One UI 6.1. Expected to include new features and enhancements under One UI 6.1.1. 3 days ago, daily I'm seeing the news about what's new update for S24 Ultra. Leave the 6.1.1 and Beta 7 and all from January. I'm seeing daily Samsung's cooker. 5 days ago, both Google and Samsung offer 7 years of OS updates and security patches for their respective phones, which is great for people who like to use a phone for Samsung Galaxy S24 Review 2024 PC Mag Australia. The $799.99 Galaxy S24 is the smallest and most affordable entry in Samsung's flagship phone lineup. But it more than earns its place alongside this 24 Plus $999.99 and this 24 Ultra $1,299.99. In addition to a top-end Qualcomm processor and excellent cameras, the Galaxy S24 gets all of Samsung's cutting-edge AI features and a generous 7-year commitment to software updates. The Google Pixel 8 remains our editor's choice winner for compact Android phonies thanks to its lower $699 price. Slightly better cameras and competitive set of AI features, but Samsung devotees are sure to enjoy the longer battery life and the additional processing power of the S24. For the best phone in the Galaxy lineup, meanwhile, the S24 Ultra is our top pick for its S Pen stylus, extra camera zoom, and more durable build. But it costs a lot more than the standard Galaxy S24 and isn't for fans of small phones. Design, pocketable and premium. The Samsung Galaxy S24 shares its rounded design language with the slightly larger S24 Plus. Neither bears much resemblance to the squared-off S24 Ultra. I prefer the rounded corners of the S24 and S24 Plus since they don't dig into my hands. At 5.79 by 2.78 by 0.30 inches HWD and 5.93 ounces, the Galaxy S24 is easy to hold or carry in a pocket. It absolutely qualifies as a small phone, an industry that assumes bigger is better. It's noticeably smaller and lighter than the Galaxy S24 Plus, which measures 6.2 by 3.0 by 0.30 inches and weighs 6.95 ounces. The Pixel 8 5.93 by 2.79 by 0.35 inches, 6.6 ounces, and the Apple iPhone 15 5.81 by 2.82 by 0.31 inches, 6.02 ounces, are about the same size, but heavier. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the company's second most resilient smartphone glass, protects the front and back of the S24. Victus 2 is a robust material that resists scratching and shattering, but the Gorilla Armor panel that appears on the front of the S24 Ultra is even tougher and less reflective. The Pixel 8 uses first-gen Gorilla Glass Victus, while the iPhone 15 uses Apple's Ceramic Shield. An armor aluminum frame surrounds the bodies of the S24 and S24 Plus, a step down from the S24 Ultra's titanium. That said, the frame meets the glass front and back panels elegantly. A volume rocker and a power button on the right edge provide a satisfying clicky response, while the bottom houses a SIM tray, a USB-C port 3.2 Gen 1, and a speaker. As expected, There is no microSD card slot or 3.5mm headphone jack. GFR. Like the S24 Plus and Ultra, the standard Galaxy S24 has an IP68 rating. It's fully resistant to dust and can withstand being submerged in water as deep as 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. This IP rating has become a checkbox feature for premium phones and is something you also get with both the iPhone 15 and Pixel 8. A 3-camera array lines up on the rear of the phone, while the front-facing camera sits in the top center of the screen. The rear camera lenses rise above the back surface a bit, but you won't find an oversized camera bump like on the iPhone 15 or the Pixel 8. An under-display fingerprint sensor is your best bet for biometric security. It's quick and accurate. Facial recognition is available too, but it isn't as secure. Color choices include amber yellow, cobalt violet, marble gray, or onyx black. These 4 options are widely available. But Samsung also offers 3 exclusive colors from its website: jade green, sandstone orange, or sapphire blue. I received the cobalt violet model for testing, which appears a bit muted in indoor lighting, but brighter elsewhere. Display, sharp and bright. The Galaxy S24's 6.2-inch display is a hair larger than the Galaxy S23's 6.1-inch panel, but both share the same 2340 by -1080 pixel resolution. For comparison, the Pixel 8's 6.2-inch screen has a slightly higher resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The 6.7-inch S24 Plus and the 6.8-inch S24 Ultra are sharper still, with 3120 by 1440 pixels. The S24 features the same 100 and 20 Hz variable refresh rates, the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra, as well as the Pixel 8. That means the screen can dip as low as 1 Hz to preserve battery life or scale up for smooth gaming performance. All 3 Galaxy models share a peak brightness of 2600 nits, which goes beyond the Pixel 8's 2400 nits and the iPhone 15's 2000 nits. Performance, big power in a small package. Samsung gives the S24 the same system on a chip SoC that powers the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This is a modified version of the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with tweaks for better CPU, GPU, and NPU performance. I've benchmarked several 8 Gen 3 based smartphones and, so far, the results are close across the board. If there's anything that holds the S24 back compared with its peers, it's RAM. Samsung caps the phone's memory at just 8 GB, whereas the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra get 12 GB. I would have liked to see all 3 models at the 12 GB mark or higher. For comparison, the Pixel 8 also has 8 GB of RAM while the iPhone 15 has 6 GB. For storage, the S24 starts at 128 GB $799.99 and maxes out at 256 GB $859.99. If you like carrying a lot of media with you, plan to take a lot of high-res video, or install large apps, get the 256 GB model. The S24 Plus tops out at 512 GB for $1,119.99, and the S24 Ultra with 1 TB goes for $1,659.99. To make comparisons fair, I used a series of artificial benchmarks to test the S24. On Geekbench 6, which tests basic computing power, the S24 scored 2,260 on the single-core test and 6,893 on the multi-core test. On the same test, the S24 Plus scored 2,289 and 7,075. The Pixel 8, which uses Google's Tensor G3 processor, scored 1171 and 3,119. Though Google claims it tunes the G3 for AI performance and not benchmarks. The iPhone 15, which runs on Apple's A16 Bionic chip, pulled in scores of 2,607 and 6,231. Historically, Apple's SoCs have far outperformed Qualcomm chips, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 narrows the gap. The PC Mark Work 3.0 test measures general mobile tasks. Here, the S24 hit a score of 17,399. For comparison, the S24 Plus scored 18,476, while the Pixel 8 hit 9,959. On the Basemark Web 3.0 browser test, the S24 scored an impressive 1198, beating both the S24 Plus 988 score and the S24 Ultra 1017. For gaming performance, I used the GFX Bench Aztec Ruins test. The S24 managed to produce 85 frames per second fps at a resolution of 2253 by 1041 pixels. On the same test, the S24 Plus pushed 83 fps and the Ultra reached 66 fps. The iPhone 15 averaged 60 fps. In real-world tests with Genshin Impact, one of the most resource-intensive mobile games available, the S24 provided a smooth experience with no slowdowns or dropped frames, even at the highest settings. During a 15-minute session, the back of the S24 became warm, but not hot enough to become uncomfortable. The S24 Plus and Ultra didn't get as warm to the touch. Basic games like Alto's Odyssey or Mario Kart Tour ran without a hitch, were easy to play, and didn't cause the phone to get warm. Battery life, plenty of pep for the day. Samsung boosts the capacity of the Galaxy S24's battery to 4000 mAh, a 100 mAh increase over the S23. Wired charging maxes out at 25W, while wireless charging reaches 15W. Reverse wireless charging is also available at up to 7.5W, which can come in handy in a pinch. Samsung doesn't pack a charger with any of the S24 phones, so you need to supply your own. The Pixel 8 and the iPhone 15 charge at similar rates 30W and 20W, respectively. The Galaxy S24 Plus and Ultra both can charge at a speedier 45 watts rate, and I would have liked to see parity with the S24 here. However, other manufacturers are pushing the limits of wired charging even further. The OnePlus $12.799, for example, charges at speeds up to 80 watts via a proprietary power brick. In my battery tests, which involve wirelessly streaming an HD video with the screen brightness set to the maximum level, the S24 survived for 13 hours and 5 minutes. This is 7 minutes shy of the S23's battery life of 13 hours and 12 minutes. For comparison, the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra each lasted over 14 hours. The Pixel 8 hit just 10 hours and 20 minutes, while the iPhone 15 ran for 16 hours. It took 1 hour and 22 minutes to charge the S24 from 0% to 100% using a 25 watts charger. Plugging it in for 15 minutes yielded a charge of 34%, and 30 minutes got the phone to 60%. Connectivity. The Galaxy S24 shares its radios with the S24 Plus. That means it has 5G, with support for mmWave and C-band. It supports one physical SIM card and one eSIM. It also has Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and Wi-Fi 6E. The S24 Ultra steps things up to Wi-Fi 7. When I tested the S24 on T-Mobile's 5G UC network in New York City, it reached a maximum download speed of 813 megabit per second and an upload speed of 82.1 megabit per second, which are almost identical to the Galaxy S24 Plus. S numbers on the same network in the same place: 812 megabit per second down, 82.1 megabit per second up. I tested the S24 on my home Wi-Fi 6 network, and it reached a max download speed of 420 megabit per second and an upload speed of 10.5 megabit per second. That low upload speed is a function of my internet service provider and not the phone. The S24 Plus fared a little better at 468 megabit per second down and 15.1 megabit per second up. When I took the S24 as far away from the access point as possible in my apartment, speeds dropped to 149 megabit per second down and 5.2 megabit per second up. The S24 Plus pulled in an impressive 200 megabit per second down and 15.0 megabit per second up at that distance. Call quality on the S24 is pretty good. The phone is particularly effective at rejecting background noise. When I left a voicemail with a loud television playing in the background, the recorded message sounded loud and clear. The TV was audible in the background, only when I wasn't speaking, and even then, just barely. The AP speaker maxes out at 80.6 decibel and the speakerphone volume reaches 72.1 decibel. Generally, volumes at or above 70 decibels should allow you to hear most calls without difficulty. You shouldn't expect to hear a lot of bass from the S24's stereo speakers. When I listened to the night silent shout, I could hear the low-end response. Only if I strained my ears. When the speakers are at their maximum 93.5 decibel, they can fill a small room without distortion. For better audio fidelity, I recommend using Bluetooth headphones. Cameras, plenty of detail with saturated colors. The S24 has the same cameras as the S24 Plus, including a main 50 mpf/1.8 sensor with optical image stabilization OIS, an ultra-wide 12 mpf/2.2 lens, and a 10 mpf/2.4 telephoto imager with 3x optical zoom. The 50MP camera takes 12MP pictures via pixel binning by default, but is capable of full 50MP images if you prefer. Samsung makes it easy to switch from one mode to the other in the camera app. Image quality from the S24 and S24 Plus appears identical, with slight variations in tone easily attributable to changing weather and lighting conditions. Photos show sharp detail, even when there are fine overlapping elements like tree branches and bricks. Colors are a bit oversaturated, but generally less vibrant than from older Galaxy phones. This is an improvement, though the Pixel 8 and iPhone 15 still produce images with more natural color. If you want to boost color back to the level of previous Galaxy devices, you can do so via the Gallery app. The ultra-wide camera does a good job of fixing eye distortion for enameled objects, but people on the edge of the frame sometimes show stretching. Details of faraway subjects look clean, even with the 3x optical zoom. What would be a jagged mess with digital zoom is smooth and clear thanks to the telephoto. Camera's optics. All three S24 models rely on the same front-facing 12 mpf/2.2 camera. Portrait images generally feature a more realistic bokeh effect. The background blur is less aggressive than in previous generations. Regular selfies can blur the background of the subject slightly, but it depends on the distance. All the photos I captured with the front-facing camera have plenty of detail and saturated colors. You can record video at up to 8K 30, but be aware that a 22-second 8K 30 clip is over 200 megabytes. Lengthy 8K recordings will chew through the base 128 gigabytes of storage quickly. If you shoot at 4K 60 or lower resolutions, you can change your zoom on the fly, 0.6, 1, or 3x, while you record. Video stabilization works quite effectively, and I saw smooth results from clips I took while walking around normally. The colors in video clips look less saturated overall than those from stills and more closely resemble the colors I saw with my eyes. Details also appear sharp. Artificial intelligence, real-world utility. All three S24 models have the same set of Galaxy AI features. For a full breakdown of how the AI features perform, see my review of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In general, you should know that the S24 SIA features are well thought out and can genuinely improve your phone experience. Samsung may charge for them in the future, but has provided few details. The Circle to Search feature, which lets you quickly perform a Google image search from the screen, can satisfy your curiosity about a subject quickly. Meanwhile, the Object Eraser image editing tool can help you clean up or alter images without a lot of work. So far, these are the two features that I miss most when I switch to other devices. The Pixel 8 has both of these features. The S24 runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1 interface on top of it. One UI gives you advanced multitasking and access to DeX, Samsung's productivity mode that lets you connect the S24 to a display, mouse, and keyboard. DeX can't replace a full desktop PC experience, but I appreciate its inclusion nonetheless. If you want a purer Android experience, the Pixel 8 is the way to go. Samsung says it will support the entire S24 lineup with 7 years of OS and security updates. This new policy older Samsung devices get 5 years of updates, puts the S24 on par with the Pixel 8 series. A compact contender. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is a perfectly capable small phone with a high-end processor and a premium build. We're also fans of its quality camera stack and AI features. The S24 Ultra is our editor's choice in the Galaxy lineup thanks to its S Pen stylus. Increased durability and additional camera zoom, but it costs $500 more than the base Galaxy S24 and is much larger. When it comes to one-handed devices under $800, the Pixel 8 slightly edges out the Galaxy S24 with its lower price and better camera quality. But if you want more processing power or longer battery life, the Galaxy S24 is a worthy alternative. Samsung, what is with the lack of software updates or security patches for the Fold 6? R/Galaxy Fold. I love my Fold 6, but come on Samsung, on this expensive a device it should at least have the August 2024 security patch by now. Fold 6 launched in mid-July and we are nearing the end of August and we are all still stuck on the June 1st security patch. April 1st Google Play System update too, but that is probably a Google thing, not Samsung. Come on now, what is the holdup? Security updates are important. Maybe they'll just release one massive update or something. Heck, at this point maybe just give the September 2024 security patch here soon. Software updates Samsung members. Community Home. Community. Smartphones. Galaxy S. Galaxy Note. Galaxy A. Galaxy Z. Mobile apps and services. Bixby. Samsung Pay. Samsung Health. Samsung Account. Find My Mobile. Samsung Smart Switch. Samsung Dex. Tablets. Wearables.
That's just silly. Why would you just talk like that? Why are you supposed to read all that, you dickhead, or something? Why don't you do it? You don't want to do it, eh? Just stupid. Galaxy S24 Plus August update, performance and battery update. Samsung.
Samsung's August 2024 update fixes critical Xclipse bug on Galaxy S24, A54, Sammy fans. Galaxy S23 Ultra is Samsung's one of the most popular flagships in recent years. It was also the first to debut a monstrous 200-megapixel camera. The flagship went official early last year. Well, how happy are you with your Galaxy S23 Ultra? The Galaxy S23 Ultra is praised as a flagship that caters to a wide range of users. It is equipped with unique features like S Pen, amazing camera capabilities, and a powerful processor. But how do you feel about your purchase as an owner? To get a pulse on user satisfaction, we have explored the Members app and Samsung communities. We've observed feedback through their previous posts on the Samsung community forums focusing on performance, camera, and user experience. Thanks to the Snapdragon chipset, most Galaxy S23 Ultra users are highly satisfied with the performance. The device offers smooth multitasking, quick app launch times, and efficient handling of ongoing tasks. Galaxy S23 Ultra packs a 200-megapixel sensor as the
It's like doesn't have the S24 on this one. What a silly baloo. U.S. government urged to update Galaxy phone due to voluntary. USA is interfering with the updates now, are we? That's funny, bro. Why would they want to mess with the update? I don't know, Hector. That's what they do. They mess with the update. Use your own One Galaxy phone. Use it to install update by this date or stop using the device. What are you on about? You're making it so we can fight each other. If you don't get the update, certain day and certain time, and you don't do that, you don't do this, you're not gonna get the update. It's you, United States, that's doing that. What the hell? Gonna see and said August 28, or the using the device, however they are. Some organizations that follow federal government guide. You're silly. It's you doing it. You're doing it. They're giving everyone the update, and you saying no to it. You're saying we're not gonna interfere with the updates, but you do so, United States. You okay, let's record it so they can see it.
Android. US government warns Galaxy phone users to install update by this date or stop using their devices. Samsung head topics. US government warns Galaxy phone users to install update by this date or stop using their devices. Tear off calendar 16th August 2024 10:10 p.m. Newspaper phone error. Stopwatch reading time. 22 seconds. Here. 4 minutes. At publisher. Bar chart quality score. News, 19%. Publisher, 59%. Samsung News. Alan, an ardent smartphone enthusiast and a veteran writer, at Phonearena since 2009, has witnessed and chronicled the transformative years of mobile technology. Owning iconic phones from the original iPhone to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, he has seen smartphones evolve into a global phenomenon. The issue was a software flaw catalogued as CIV 2024-32896 that the government said at the time may be under limited targeted exploitation. Now, Samsung says have been exploited in the real world. The government's Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency added the two CIV listings to the known exploited vulnerabilities catalog. You might think that the alert is really limited, since only Samsung Galaxy device users employed by the federal government are forced to update their Galaxy handset by August 28th or discontinue using their devices. However, there are some organizations that follow federal government guidelines. And there are probably many other corporations that should demand that their employees follow the federal government's mandate. Source Tech Daily Report techdailyreport.net. Android software updates. We have summarized this news so that you can read it quickly. If you are interested in the news, you can read the full text here. Read more. United States latest news, United States headlines. Similar news. You can also read news stories similar to this one that we have collected from other news sources. Galaxy said Fold 6 phone near a camera score, great, but no major leap forward. Peter, an experienced tech enthusiast at Phonearena, is captivated by all things mobile. His impartial reviews and proficiency in Android systems offer readers valuable insights. Off duty, he delves into the latest cryptocurrency trends and enjoys sci-fi and video games. Source: Phonearena Trophy 322/59. Read more. Terminator Salvation 2009. All the latest movie news, movie trailers and reviews, and the same for TV, too. Source: ScreenRant Trophy 7/94. Read more. Logan Oop is first Angels player to accomplish feat since 2009. Logan Oop solidified his role as a key player for the Los Angeles Angels by hitting his 15th home run off the right field wall at Angel Stadium on Wednesday night. Source: Sino Trophy 200.
All right, you've gone off the rails now, buddy. You've gone off the rails, buddy. You've gone off the rails, buddy. You are very naughty. You don't know. You don't. What you've done is you didn't do it, bro. Didn't do it, bro. I know you didn't do, bro. I was going off. We're going off. Hey, you are silly, silly, silly. You are silly, silly. Let's go up here. You are silly. You are silly. Google won't pay for vulnerability discovered in Play Store and Web. You are. We win a Google Pixel 9. You're silly. Google. Instagram is testing vertical profile. What are you doing? Best Google Pixel 8 Pro. What are you doing, man? You really just want it. You want it to be like American. Wi-Fi, Apple News. Mm, mm, mm.
Samsung delayed the One UI 7.0 beta, One UI 6.1.1 to hit more devices first. Was expected to roll out the Android 15 based One UI 7.0 beta update by the end of July, but it didn't happen. Now it appears that Samsung fans will have to wait a little longer to get their hands on the latest update. According to a post on X by the tipster at Universalis, Samsung delayed the launch of the One UI 7 beta. Galaxy users will have to wait a little longer for the One UI 7.0 beta update. In the post on X, the tipster states there are still no plans to launch at One UI 7.0 beta in the near future. Sadly, the source hasn't provided any clarification as to why Samsung is delaying the One UI 7.0 update. Originally, the update was supposed to start rolling out by the end of July. This isn't the first time we have heard about it. Last week, Samabio reported that Samsung has delayed the One UI 7.0 beta update. One possibility is that the firmware is still buggy and highly unstable. The company appears to be ironing out the major bugs and issues as soon as possible, before rolling it out to the public. The Samsung-centric publication suggests that the One UI 7.0 beta update could start rolling out in the third week of August. Samsung is currently focusing on releasing the One UI 6.1.1 update to more devices first. According to Samabio, Samsung is focusing on releasing the One UI 6.1.1 update to more devices at the moment. It is one of the main reasons why the One UI 7.0 beta update keeps getting delayed. One UI 6.1.1 came with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 in July. While it's not a major update, it will bring the new Galaxy AI features to Samsung's older flagships. As for the One UI 7.0 update, the Android 15 based custom skin from the brand will bring tons of new features. It will also come with visual enhancements and performance improvements for Galaxy devices. Let's hope Samsung irons out all the bugs and soon starts rolling it out. Skip for porting iOS apps to Android is now free for indie developers. Developers of Skip, a cross-platform framework that makes iOS apps work on Android, have launched its first stable version. Skip 1.0 is now available to all iOS app developers, and it's free for independent developers. Cross-platform framework Skip for porting iOS apps to Android launched. App developers routinely face a dilemma about their apps working on Apple's iOS and Google's Android mobile operating systems. Moreover, app developers frequently launch their iOS app before releasing an Android version because it takes a lot of effort and resources to create two versions of the same app simultaneously. App developers usually create two separate apps, one for iOS and the other for Android to ensure they work as intended. There are cross-platform frameworks such as React Native. However, apps compiled using these often offer suboptimal performance. The creators of Skip claim they can ensure iOS apps work as native apps on Android. In other words, the cross-platform frameworks developers claim Skip can take existing iOS apps to create a native Android app with minimal effort. Skip accepts existing Swift and Swift2e code and compiles it into Kotlin and Compose. In other words, the newly compiled app should behave as if it was built for Android OS from the ground up. One of the highlights of the Skip framework is that keeps the original iOS code unmodified. Moreover, developers can continue to use Xcode to maintain both platforms in one unified codebase. Skip promises to lower the entry barrier to creating native Android apps. When using Skip, developers can choose which code they would like to share on both platforms. Developers can also choose which code should be kept separate between platforms. The tool also allows using any Swift/Objective-C library for iOS and any Kotlin Java library for Android. Simply put, Skip should save a lot of resources for developers who want identical apps on Apple iPhone and Android smartphones. This should lower the entry barrier for many app developers looking to build iOS and Android apps. We're thrilled to announce Skip 1.0. Skip brings Swift app development to Android. Share Swift business logic, or write entire cross-platform Swift2e apps. With native performance and native UI on each platform. Now free for indies https://tco/ua3pnwhbulpic.twitter.com/kmzvgpvv. Abe White at Abe White August 15, 2024. Skip is primarily intended for iOS app developers to quickly port their creations to the Android ecosystem. The creators of the cross-platform framework launched its first stable version this week. Skip developers had been fine-tuning the framework for over a year. However, it is now widely available to developers. Moreover, Skip v 1.0 is completely free for independent developers. Tech news/artificial intelligence news. Geekbench, AI cross-platform benchmarking tool announced. Geekbench AI cross-platform benchmarking tool announced. Google search. Featured snippet from the web. Geekbench has announced that its new artificial intelligence benchmarking tool is available across platforms. It can measure the AI performance of devices running Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux as platforms. 2 days ago. https://www.androidheadlines.com. 3 days ago, Geekbench AI 1.0 platform, which can measure the performance of artificial intelligence AI capabilities of a device, was launched on Thursday. 3 days ago, Primate Labs Incorporated, the maker of cross-platform benchmarking software, Thursday officially released Geekbench AI 1.0, a tool designed to test the real world. 3 days ago, this tool is designed to measure artificial intelligence performance across iOS, macOS, and other platforms. Initially released as Geekbench ML, this tool. 4 days ago, the company said in a blog post, Geekbench AI is a benchmarking suite with a testing methodology for machine learning, deep learning, and AI-centric workloads. 3 days ago, Geekbench AI 1.0 launches as a comprehensive cross-platform benchmark for AI performance, offering developers and enthusiasts a powerful tool to measure. And 2 days ago, the tool evaluates the efficiency and accuracy of CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs neural processing units by measuring their ability to perform machine learning tasks. 18 hours ago, the new benchmark raises questions about I/O performance measurement across different hardware platforms and the challenges of creating standardized. Migrating mess with DNS to use PowerDNS. About 3 years ago, I announced Seed Mess with DN Synthesis blog post, a playground where you can learn how DNS works by messing around and creating records. I wasn't very careful with the DNS implementation, though, to quote the release blog post, following the DNS or FCS. Not exactly. And people started reporting problems that eventually, I decided that I wanted to fix. The problems. Some of the problems people have reported were: domain names with underscores weren't allowed, even though they should be. If there was a CNAME record for a domain name, it allowed you to create other records for that domain name, even if it shouldn't. You could create 2 different CNAME records for the same domain name, which shouldn't be allowed. No support for the SVCB or HTTPS record types, which seemed a little complex to implement. No support for upgrading from UDP to TCP for big responses. And there are certainly more issues that nobody got around to reporting, for example that if you added an NS record for a subdomain to delegate it, mess with DNS wouldn't handle the delegation properly. The solution: PowerDNS. I wasn't sure how to fix these problems for a long time. Technically, I could have started addressing them individually. But it felt like there were a million edge cases and I'd never get there. But then one day I was chatting with someone else who was working on a DNS server, and they said they were using PowerDNS, an open source DNS server with an HTTP API. This seemed like an obvious solution to my problems. I could just swap out my own crappy DNS implementation for PowerDNS. There were a couple of challenges I ran into when setting up PowerDNS that I'll talk about here. I really don't do a lot of web development, and I think I've never built a website that depends on a relatively complex API before. So it was a bit of a learning experience. Challenge 1: getting every query made to the DNS server. One of the main things Mess with DNS does is give you a live view of every DNS query it receives for your subdomain, using a WebSocket. To make this work, it needs to intercept every DNS query before it gets sent to the PowerDNS DNS server. There were 2 options I could think of for how to intercept the DNS queries. DNSTAP DNSDist, a DNS load balancer from the PowerDNS project, has support for logging all DNS queries it receives using DNSTAP. So I could put DNSDist in front of PowerDNS and then log queries that way. Have my Go server listen on port 53 and proxy the queries myself. I originally implemented option number 1, but for some reason there was a 1-second delay before every query got logged. I couldn't figure out why, so I implemented my own very simple proxy instead. Challenge 2: should the front end have direct access to the PowerDNS API? The front end used to have a lot of DNS logic in it. It converted emoji domain names to ASCII using punner code. Had a lookup table to convert numeric DNS query types like 1 to their human readable names like here, did a little bit of validation and more. Originally I considered keeping this pattern and just giving the front end more or less direct access to the PowerDNS API to create and delete But writing even more complex code in JavaScript didn't feel that appealing to me. I don't really know how to write tests in JavaScript, and it seemed like it wouldn't end well. So I decided to take all of the DNS logic out of the front end and write a new DNS API for managing records, shaped something like this. Get/records. Delete/records/ID. Delete/records/delete all records for a user. Post/records/create record. Post/records/ID update record. This meant that I could actually write tests for my code, since the backend is in Go and I do know how to write tests in Go. What I learned, it's okay for an API to duplicate information. I had this idea that APIs shouldn't return duplicate information. For example, if I get a DNS record, it should only include a given piece of information once. But I ran into a problem with that idea. When displaying MX records, an MX record has two fields, preference and mail server. And I needed to display that information in two different ways on the front end. In a form, where preference and mail server are two different form fields like 10 and mail.example.com. In a summary view, where I wanted to just show the record, 10mail.example.com. This is kind of a small problem, but it came up in a few different places. I talked to my friend Marco Rogers about this, and based on some advice from him I realized that I could return the same information in the API in two different ways. Then the front end just has to display it. So I started just returning duplicate information in the API, something like this. Values, preference, 10, server, mail.example.com, content, 10mail.example.com. I ended up using this pattern in a couple of other places where I needed to display the same information in two different ways, and it was so much easier. I think what I learned from this is that if I'm making an API that isn't intended for external use, there are no users of this API other than the front end. I can tailor it very.
All right. I'm not talking about shit. Fuck, this is incredible, man. Incredible, bro. Fuck this. Mira.
Julia Evans. September 2017. How I spent my time at the Recurse Center. June 20. JVNS Julia Evans.github. Loading. A graph representing JVNS's contributions from August 13, 2023 to August 19, 2024. The contributions are 96% commits, 2% issues, 2% pull requests, 0% code review. Code review 2% issues, 2% pull requests, 96% commits.
This is just asking questions.
Their news about what was happening in Venezuela, but in the whole year in 2014, we had 3,000 people getting detained because of protest. In just 1 week, last week in Venezuela, we have more than 2,000. So that tells a lot about the intensity of repression right now. And I think the most important point about this is that Chavismo lost the support of the popular bases in Venezuela. They used to sell themselves as these mass movements that were helping working class people, but the poorest in Venezuela are the ones that are going to protest right now. And I think that's a big shock for Maduro, and that's why his response is this, talking about getting people.
And Edmundo Gonzalez Urrutia, who was the opposition candidate, talking about the nature of the fraud in the election. John, can you roll that, please?
Venezuelans and the whole world. Venezuela has a new president-elect, and it is Edmundo Gonzalez. We have won in all sectors of the country, in all strata of the country, in all states of the country, in all, I won.
Here, all the rules have been violated to the point that most of the records have not yet been delivered. Our struggle continues, and we will not rest until the will of the people of Venezuela is respected.
Expletive Maduro. And they said 0, and everybody starts cheering because he had 0 votes, imagining a voting center. And so we don't believe the results because they're false. Imagine how false they are, that they rounded perfectly to 51.2000000%. I made the numbers. It's 1 in 100 million, the chances that all the numbers, not just of Maduro, but of the opposition candidate and of all the other candidates.
All right, when when are they gonna fix it? Oh, I see. They're just taking time, right? And they're allowed to take time, Hector. Why? Why are they allowed to take time? I don't know, but they're allowed to take time, like they say. Okay, we'll see the issue try to be fixed in 2 months. We are too busy and we're doing this, we're doing that. They could lie. And people could, there could be massive murder, there could be whatever. And Venezuela will be destroyed itself because they didn't come in and fix it straight away. And everybody was thinking, oh, Venezuela is gone back to normal. But it did not go back to normal. Ah, la 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 la. Dun, 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 dun. What else does it have? We seen that. No, pues no, viste que está pelado, le está pelado. Vuela. Mala. Mala. Current issues or
The U.S. is headed for the most predictable economic crisis in history, as Bill Clinton's former White House chief of staff once put it. Why? Because of the mountain of...
Yeah, whatever.
Democrats unburdened by what they have done to Chicago. A few hours before touching down in Chicago Sunday, Vice President Kamala Harris, in one of her few interactions with reporters since snatching the Democratic Party's presidential nomination from her boss, gave a meandering yet revealing answer to the simple question of how she would pay for her recently introduced economic proposals. What we're doing in terms of the first-time homebuyer tax credits, we know that there's a great return on investment, Harris asserted in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. When we increase home ownership in America, what that means in terms of increasing the tax base, not to mention property tax base. What that does to fund schools, again, return on investment. I think it's a mistake for any person who talks about public policy to not critically evaluate how you measure the return on investment. When you are strengthening neighborhoods, strengthening communities, and in particular the economies of those communities, and investing in a broad-based economy, everybody benefits, and it pays for itself in that way. Italics added, to emphasize America's ongoing mistakes. Democrats begin their 4-day national convention Monday in the city that perhaps best exemplifies the chasm between their party's dreamy policy rhetoric and grim real-world results. As a direct result of one-party misrule, there is row Republicans in the 50-seat city council. Chicago's tax base is decreasing, not increasing. The population has declined for 9 consecutive years, is shrinking by an annual rate of 1%, and is at its lowest point in more than a century. Illinois, where Democrats control the governorship and at 2/3 majority of the legislature, lost an estimated $3.6 billion in income tax revenue in 2022 alone, a year the net loss of 87,000 residents subtracted $9.8 billion in adjusted gross income. Syndicated columnist and Illinois' native George Will observed last week.
Did I really hear that? Does it say, oh, only rich people, only if you're clever, you stay on your foot. If you're not clever, you fuck. So if you're on drugs or anything, you're fucked. You're not going anywhere. We only want the good people that got clever mind, clever money, good understanding, perfect mind. Those one this way, those one in the middle, those one at the end can go get fucked. What the fuck are you on? Fix the issues, mate.
Week. In the past 6 years, $47.5 billion adjusted gross income has left. Illinois leads the nation in net losses of households making. Illinois, where Democrats control the governorship and at 2/3 majority of the legislature, lost an estimated $3.6 billion in income tax revenue in 2022 alone, a year the net loss of 87,000 residents subtracted $9.8 billion in adjusted gross income. Syndicated columnist and Illinois' native George Will observed last week. In the past 6 years, $47.5 billion adjusted gross income has left. Illinois leads the nation in net losses of households making $200,000 or more. None of these or other grisly Windy City stats, including the murders and the pension liabilities, are obscure. As Illinois Policy Institute Vice President Houston Berg put it Saturday night at a live taping of the Fifth Column podcast, I believe Chicago is the greatest American city and the worst governed American city. The bigger mystery has been why the Democratic Party would choose such a metaphorically dicey backdrop. But an answer begins to suggest itself amid the banal dystopia of the DNC's endless security checkpoints, concrete barriers, and battalions of police officers separating America's political class from its serfs. Democrats chose Chicago for a similar reason that Harris chose a running mate with a particularly awful record during the pandemic and scarred year of 2020. Because they, like their candidate, know that, contra Harris' assertion Sunday in Pennsylvania, people who talk about policy, whether politician, journalist, or political consumer, almost never critically evaluate how you measure the return on investment. If professional political conversation was tethered even loosely to policy results, you might expect one or maybe even two of the journalists dutifully collecting their DNC press credentials at the colossal and colossally empty McCormick Place Convention Center to ask a follow-up question about what their eyeballs cannot miss. How in the world can a city intermittent financial crisis not just support the country's largest convention center complex during a time off market oversupply and conventioneering decline, but actually keep expanding damn thing? The DNC's second major site behind the United Center, which is hosting what you watch on television, has been a political money pit for nearly 60 years. Bergerton 2019. Built in 1960, rebuilt after a 1967 fire, then expanded in 1986, 1997, 2007, and 2017. McCormick Place looks this week like the cover of a Mike Davis book, extensive security barricades and fencing separating the nearby pores from a depopulated, dully corporate expanse. Over and over, Chicago and Illinois public officials and a roster of consultants promised that a bigger McCormick Place would yield hundreds of thousands of new convention attendees and billions in new spending and public revenues, Haywood Sanders wrote in his 2014 book Convention Center Follies. Those repeated promises have proved false, the consultant projections unmet. Instead, like so many other Chicago governance failures, the unmet promises are covered over with taxes on hotel room stays, restaurants, car rentals. In completely related news, a 2024 Wallet Hub study of effective state-local tax burden per median U.S. household income ranked Illinois dead last. But the 2024 campaign is famously more about vibes than anything related to governance. Farris/Walt's campaign website still does not have a policy page, though the party did on Sunday release a draft platform. I have not had a single constituent in El Paso or a single person on the road try to get very specific policy details from me, Harris campaign co-chair representative Veronica Escobar, D. Texas told New York Times. You're going to have to vote for a Harris administration to see what's in it. Republican nominee Donald Trump famously did not even update the 2016 GOP platform when he ran unsuccessfully in 2020, suggesting that America has a supply problem when it comes to national politicians and policy accountability. But don't sleep on demand. Trump fans love his boorish, bizarre, and often funny jokes, so he keeps making cracks about Kamala Harris and Montana Senator John Tester's fat stomach rather than stay as focused on issues as his advisors would prefer. Harris is getting cheered on by a subset of journalists for no subjecting herself to any kind of public cross-examination. And the residents of Chicago, looking upon both the civic dysfunction and the city's undeniable energy and charm, just keep on voting for more Democrats. Americans may be getting precisely what they want out of politics in 2024. Good and hard.
Wow. Oopa. So the politicians are fighting against politicians and they're not giving up. Okay, we got that. I don't know. One day I'll get it back to where it was, Hector. I know, bro. I know, bro. Don't worry, brother. Ooh wala, ooh wala, ooh wala, palapupula. What the hell have we done here now? What's that? Like the wiki weather rock. Weather rock. It's like I need to copy something. Copy what? What do I need to copy? Reward hacking. Reward hacking instrument. What's this reward hacking? Couldn't be the reward, artificial intelligence. Gaining human approval. Proxy goals such as gaining human approval. Reward hack. That's what it.
Video Content Analyzer, video content analysis software. Online Video Content Analyzer. An AI-powered video content analyzer designed to create searchable video assets for quick video retrieval and video browsing. Nova AI employs pre-trained and trainable AI engines, allowing you to analyze, browse, and retrieve your videos easily, all in a single AI platform. It uses machine learning methods in a combined AI engine ecosystem to orchestrate and employ the best algorithms that always produce optimal results. Nova AI is changing the way creatives work with video. Now the owners of large video content libraries can now enjoy easy access and complete control over their video assets. Browse and retrieve wanted videos faster than ever before. 1. Auto Video Analysis. Nova AI will analyze, categorize, and index searchable data, insights to your personal account hosted on our secure cloud servers. 2. Exploratory Video Search. Interactively check if your video content is relevant. Find objects, locations, scenes, people, and more using Boolean search. Browse your entire video libraries with just a click of a button. 3. Easily integratable. Easily integrate with any video workflow. Export discovered clips to your favorite video editing platforms like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Avid Media Composer directly from the platform. How to analyze your video online. Employing various machine learning methods with computer vision technologies, analyzing your video content has never been easier and faster. Activate the feature. Unfortunately, for various reasons, this feature is not available to everyone by default. If you want to activate our smart video analysis feature, please drop us a request via chat and we will activate the feature on your account. Upload your videos. Upload your videos to analyze videos. Begin with uploading your videos to your video analyzer dashboard. Uploading is easily done from your computer. We can also explore other uploading methods, such as FTP or importing from cloud storage services. Let Nova analyze. Our software will binge watch all of your content and label every data point in your video. Then it intelligently groups them as certain events, which you can later discover using our Boolean search engine. Find your clips. At this stage, you can start searching. You can search a single video for a specific item, such as a car, an action such as boxing, and more. Or you can also search your whole video library. Export and publish. Export your desired clip, or download a snippet directly to your favorite video editing software for further use. Video Analyzer Tools. Video Annotation. Use AI to automatically log your content. Streamline your video content annotation process and can scale your video strategy quickly. More about video annotation. Video archiving. Flexible, cost-efficient, and scalable video cloud storage. Store up to 500 gigabytes video data and build your first searchable video library. More about video archiving. Video search. Search inside video and find any clip instantly. Video analysis makes it possible to search video, finding video clips by phrase, words, objects, activities, location, facial expressions, celebrities, or encoded people. Auto Video Cutter. Experience seamless editing with our automatic AI-powered video cutter. Using our video analyzer platform, smartly segment your footage into thematic clips, simplifying your video workflow effortlessly. More about Auto Video Cutter. Video Moderator. Moderate explicit content out of your video automatically. Remove unwanted scenes instantly. More about Video Moderator. Video Recognition. Unleash Nova AI's analyzer to effortlessly navigate and categorize your content's intricacies with cutting-edge video and audio recognition technology. Transform your videos into digital assets. More about Video Recognition. Extras for all plans. Extra 100 gigabytes of storage, $1. Extra 1 hour of subtitles costs $4. Extra stock asset costs $5 per asset. Need anything else? Contact our sales team. Free. For quick projects and short content without leaving credit card details. Basic. Perfect for individuals that need simple video editing capabilities. Pro. For professionals and teams working with video and audio content daily. Business. For companies managing large volumes of video and audio content. Extras for all plans. Extra 100 gigabytes of storage $1. Extra 1 hour of subtitles costs $4. Extra stock asset costs $5 per asset. Need anything else? Contact our sales team. Free. For quick projects and short content without leaving credit card details. Basic. Perfect for individuals that need simple video editing capabilities. Build $96 per user annually. Save 25%. Pro. For professionals and teams working with video and audio content daily. Build $173 per user annually. Save 20%. Business. For companies managing large volumes of video and audio content. Build $528 per user annually. Save 20%. Why would you use Nova AI Video Analyzer? Nova AI Video Analyzer is equipped with state-of-the-art video management tools to help you scale your content production effortlessly. Access to a wide range of tools. Experience limitless creativity with Nova AI Video Editor. Our online video editing software offers an extensive trove of tools, simplifying every step as you edit video online. Dive in and make video magic effortlessly. Improved workflow. Seamlessly integrates with major editing software, streamlining the editing process. Export directly to your favorite, whether it's Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve, we got you covered. Newbie friendly. Experience the ease of storytelling with Nova AI, the simple yet powerful video editor. Our creative editor is so simple to use that it requires no prior editing skills. It's so simple that a 5-year-old can make magic effortlessly. Captivating any audience with every clip. Comprehensive search features. Enables deep search capabilities within video content for specific details, such as celebrities, faces, objects, activities, and much more. Enhanced organization and efficiency. Automatically tags and categorizes footage for easy access. Rapidly identifies relevant segments, reducing manual search time. Liberates time. Frees up time for creative editing tasks by automating the mundane ones. Frequently asked questions. Nova AI designed for busy professionals. Does Nova AI have a stock video library? Our video editor is in partnership with Getty Images, providing you with the best stock video assets, including video and audio, to simplify your creative journey. From the heart of the idea to the complete masterpiece. Our videos edited with Nova AI watermarked. Nova AI ensures a clean, watermark-free canvas exclusively on paid plans, empowering you to edit video online and make your storytelling unspoiled and uniquely yours. Is Nova AI safe and private? Experience peace of mind while you create video online with Nova AI. Your privacy is our priority. Ensuring a sealed environment as you edit video in our simple video editor. We prioritize privacy, providing fortified cloud servers for every edit, every creation, and every moment you craft on our intuitive video editing platform. Nova is a new generation video editing tool designed to make video editing simple for you. We created an intelligent tool that works like an extra pair of hands in the studio. Improve the way you work with video. Start creating right now, for free. The only thing stopping you is yourself. Start now for free, and we will take you through your first steps of video creation.
Video creation, Nova. You can put subtitles, text to speech, generator, price the video merge, Nova. So it's Nova like here. So you go like this or something. Nova AI editor. Image and AI art converter, AI chatbot, Nova. Ah, mira, Isa. There is a nueva Hector. Huh? Chatbot nueva. Nueva AI chatbot. Canva, design photo. Google Genie. All this good stuff, mate. Very good stuff, Hector. Being chat with AI. So what is this? Nova chatbot. Nova AI chatbot. This one. Power chatbot with GPT for play. It's an award winning or something. Another chat invoice. So you can say something. Ask AI anything. Image. Verify everything. Upload, ask document. Get quick answer. And that's it, Hector. Pom pom pom. This one. Bill giving your access multiple AI with multiple function. Looks like good shit, bro. Wait. Hector. Okay, it does all that. It fix audio, doubling. So it does heaps of stuff, Nova. But wait up. You go to the bottom, alright, and then say you go here or something. Nova na. Nova, boom, 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 boom. Nova AI online video editor. It's online video editor, Hector. Online, bro. Okay. Hey, Google. Okay. How do okay. Video analyzed with artificial intelligence, machine learning. Ouchie papa. How do we analyze video with AI? That's what I'd like to know. How do you do that?
First, we have motion detection. Motion detection allows us to identify movement in a video over time. Essentially, it answers the question, is anything moving in this video? For example, we can determine if anything is moving within a masked region of a security video. We provide the model with a video and a polygon mask for the detection region as input. Then the model produces a motion label and a confidence score for each frame as output. Motion detection is useful anytime you need to determine if something is moving within a region of a video. For example, detecting people moving in surveillance videos, monitoring the movement of wildlife on a game preserve, and helping collaborative robots detect humans moving within their workspace.
So, okay, it can analyze your video, and on the side we'll have like a reading thing. Say this video is saying, and it'll tell you a little story. AI app. AI app assistant editor pro free. Nope. What are you doing, bro? Free. AI video and app AI app AI app and go Nova. There it is, look Miractor. Hey, it's Nova AI video editor. There, look bro. It lied to you before. It lied to you before, Hector. Look, Nova AI editor. There it is, bro. It is. It's trying to be hidden or something. Like goes to the cloud or something. You are silly, bro. Nova AI video editor. And what it visual brilliant. It can massive AI template transmission for comparison your AI stylus looking go viral instant generation find what you love explore what trending yeah, man, what the fuck is wrong with you? So I can't read all that, but so we got the AI. What are people? Anyone saying anything? No, because allow. No, Hector. It's alright, mate. It's alright, mate. What is a free AI app everyone is using? Best free AI app for Android. Monica AI download. Monica, wow. So what was there was something Hey, wait up. This guy.
We hear about really cool.
Yeah, we hear all news uncensored. AI will create anything. AI will create anything. Okay, the video actor, the video. AI will create anything. Let's just say, let's go say, this guy's good, and he's good or something. I don't know if he's good.
So there's been a handful of really interesting developments in the AI world this week, with big news coming out of XAI and Anthropic and OpenAI and a ton of news out of Google, plus a handful of smaller things that we'll talk about in this video. So let's just get right into it.
So this guy's gonna what?
Starting with the fact that Grok 2 came out this week. So Grok is the large language model from XAI. It's the large language model that is basically built right into Twitter if you are a premium.
All Let's do something silly. Let's go. Let's pretend we know what we're doing. So we go like this. This guy's got it all, or something. Okay.
So this video is just going to be a really quick tip video for those of you that are interested in using Claude 3. Now, I did a whole breakdown video about Claude 3, and it is amazing. I find myself using it more than I use ChatGPT these days. And if you've watched that video, there's quite a few things that
Okay, this guy's mad. This guy's telling us that AI can be...
I'm in the final days of my vacation out here in Colorado, just about ready to head home. But that does not mean I have not been keeping up with the AI news. There has been a ton of AI news this week, and I'm excited to dive into it with you. Between Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Perplexity, I use Claude when I want to sort of work through problems and answer questions and get help summarizing things like that. And I use Perplexity if I know it needs to search the web or if I need to do some deep research. And now we can also use Llama 3.1 405B inside of Perplexity. Now, if Llama 3.1 was the only thing that happened this week, that would have been a pretty big week in AI on its own. But that's not all that happened this week. Mistral AI, another company that's sort of competing with Meta for creating the best open source models, released Mistral Large 2. Now, Mistral Large 2 is a 123 billion parameter model, which, based on the headline from Mistral, is large enough. We can see from their little charts here on their webpage that Mistral Large 2 is actually outperforming the Llama 3.170B, the newest model in math performance. And here's some more benchmark comparisons from this Mistral model. We can see from the human eval benchmark, Mistral Large 2 just slightly underperforms GPT-4o. It outperforms Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and it outperforms Llama 3.1405B, the newest model from Meta. And it pretty much is on par with the best state-of-the-art closed and open source models.
Anyway, you gotta come to this guy, whatever his name is, Matt Wolfer. Matt Wolfer, he's cool, bro. He's cool. AI thinks you are getting weird. I know. He can create what he says. The first one.
So there's been a handful of really interesting developments in the AI world this week, with big news coming out.
One more time. Check my calendar and see if I'm free when she's coming to San Francisco this year. There we go. All right. Thank you, Demo Spirits.
So it took 3 tries for it to work, and I did speed up that clip to get rid of the silence just to keep the video moving. It didn't work the first time, didn't work the second time, and then they finally showed off what it's capable of the third time. I actually give this speaker some credit for holding things together while that was happening. That's got to be pretty stressful when you're on a stage in front of that many people, and there's a tech glitch that could be totally out of your control. A lot better than what we're getting out of things like Siri right now, but not quite as good as the expectation that we have for the GPT-4o advanced voice assistant that we still don't have yet.
Gemini can also understand what I showed on my screen. As I'm wrapping up the video, I'll bring up Gemini, like this. Press here and say, create a list of the foods she eats in this video. So here, Gemini is connecting with YouTube to find relevant information from the video's captions.
All right. You have to go to Matt Wolfer. We're going back now.
I'm in the final days of my vacation. So there's been a handful. We hear about really cool.
I don't know what I'm doing. Video editor, Parcel 9 free, Cyber Link, Power Direct video editor. I do. Again, can turn it off now. I don't know. Save ton of time with free AI mind mopping app. What's that about?
What are the top 4 best AI video maker apps? Quora. Lumen 5. This tool is pretty impressive because it can take your written content and transform it into captivating videos. It's a great choice if you're looking for a quick transition from text to video. Wave.video. Picture an online space for video editing, but with a touch of AI assistance. Wave.video allows you to fine-tune and personalize your videos, and it even manages the resizing process for you. Animoto. While not exclusively AI-focused, Animoto is a fantastic resource for creating videos using your photos, videos, and preferred music. It's like having a creative sidekick at your disposal. Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe, being a major player, offers Premiere Rush as a user-friendly video editing app. Even though it may not overtly emphasize AI, Adobe has incorporated some intelligent features to simplify your editing experience. Lumen 5's magic with words. Lumen 5 is like the fairy godmother of content. Just feed it your written stuff, and poof. It turns into these amazing videos. Perfect if you're all about making your words come to life on screen. Wave.video's creative playground. Picture this: an online playground where you can edit videos, and guess what? OA is there to sprinkle some extra creativity. Wave.video not only lets you tweak your videos, but also takes care of resizing, making things a breeze. Animoto, your creative wingman. Animoto may not shout AI from the rooftops, but it's your go-to for creating awesome videos. Just throw in your photos, videos, and favorite tunes, and voila. It's like having a creative sidekick at your service. Adobe Premiere Rush, big name, smart editing. Adobe's Premiere Rush is like the cool kid on the block. It's a user-friendly video editing app that might not scream AI, but trust me, Adobe sneaked in some smart features to make your editing life a whole lot easier. Seamless cross-platform experience. Dive into how these apps play across different devices from your computer to your phone. Because, let's face it, we're all multi-device users these days. Let AI work its magic. Explore how AI isn't just a fancy term here, it's the secret sauce behind making your videos look slick. Think automatic adjustments, smart resizing, and all that jazz. Getting along with other tools. Check out how well these apps mingle with your other content creation tools. The less friction, the better, right? Ready-made templates and themes. We all love a shortcut. See how these apps offer ready-made templates and themes, making you look like a design pro without the hassle. Teamwork makes the dream work. Look into any team-friendly features. Can your buddies jump in and add their flair to the video making process? Collaboration is key. Real talk from users. And lastly, let's eavesdrop on what users are saying. Their reviews spill the beans on the actual experience, the good, the great, and maybe the not so great. Real talk from real people. Related questions, more answers below. Flicky, robust text-to-video features. Pictory, useful for making short, branded content from long-form text. In video, extensive stock footage library. Descript, ideal for podcasts, YouTube, and TikTok. Now the internet was turning around the AI apps for their specific content. For urgent tasks, I rely on two helpful apps, Nan's Bliss. While I mainly use Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects for video editing on my laptop, VN offers a user-friendly interface and efficient editing features for quick edits, transitions, and effects. Similarly, Splice provides a straightforward and intuitive experience, allowing me to arrange clips, adjust playback speed, add music, and export videos swiftly. These apps have been valuable in meeting tight deadlines while maintaining quality. What is the best video maker AI tool on the internet? Several AI-powered video maker tools are highly regarded for their ease of use, advanced features, and versatility. Here are some of the best AI video maker tools available, each with unique features catering to different needs. 1. Synthesizer. Overview. Synthesizer allows users to create videos with realistic AI avatars by simply typing a script. It supports over 140 languages and offers more than 250 unique voice styles. Best for creating explainer videos, e-learning content, social media videos, and product descriptions. Key features: realistic AI avatars, multi-language support, customizable templates, and an intuitive interface. Pricing starts at $22 per month for the starter plan. Pros: high-quality avatars, wide language support, and easy to use. Cons: pricing could be more flexible. 2. InVideo. Overview: InVideo is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features, including article-to-video conversion and a vast library of templates. Best for creating promotional videos, social media content, and video ads. Key features: article-to-video tool, automated text-to-speech, extensive template library. Pricing: offers a free plan. Paid plans start at $15 per month. Pros: easy to use, rich template library, powerful text-to-video capabilities. Cons: only higher tier plans have access to the best video and image libraries. 3. Runway ML. Overview: Runway ML offers advanced AI tools for creating high-quality videos, including latent diffusion models for image creation and noise reduction. Best for designers, filmmakers, and content creators needing detailed and high-quality video production. Key features: text-based video modifications, image stabilization, noise reduction. Pricing starts at $15 per user per month. Pros: advanced features, high-quality output, flexible editing tools. Cons: requires substantial computing resources for complex tasks. 4. Pictory. Overview: Pictory allows users to create videos from articles or scripts, offering features like automatic video summarization and captioning. Best for creating highlight reels, educational content, and social media clips. Key features: text-to-video, automatic captioning, video summarization. Pricing: offers various plans with different feature sets. Pros: easy text-to-video conversion, automatic summarization, and captioning. Cons: some features may be limited based on the chosen plan. 5. Colossian. Overview: Colossian focuses on creating talking head videos using AI avatars and supports a wide range of languages and accents. Best for corporate training, e-learning, and marketing videos. Key features: customizable AI avatars, multi-language support, easy script-to-video conversion. Pricing starts at $21 per month for the basic plan. Pros: high customization, intuitive UX, wide language support. Cons: some advanced features are restricted to enterprise plans. 6. FlexClip. Overview: FlexClip is designed for creating a wide range of videos with a user-friendly interface and a large stock library. Best for creating B-roll videos, promotional content, and slideshows. Key features: extensive stock library, intuitive drag-and-drop interface, customizable templates. Pricing starts at $9.99 per month. Pros: large stock media library, easy to use, affordable. Cons: limited output formats, not as many advanced features. 7. Deep Brain. Overview: Deep Brain offers custom AI avatars that can engage in real-time dialogues, powered by ChatGPT. Best for companies and influencers looking to create interactive and engaging video content. Key features: text-to-video, real-time AI avatar interaction, high-quality output. Pricing starts at $29 per month. Pros: high-quality avatars, fast video creation, interactive capabilities. Cons: entry-level plan is limited in features. Each of these tools offers unique features and advantages depending on your specific needs and budget. Whether you're creating educational content, promotional videos, or engaging social media clips, these AI video maker tools can significantly streamline the video production process. Related questions: more answers below. We do our best to experiment with most of the AI tools that come up, even though it's really hard, they pop up like mushrooms. One of the services we've really enjoyed lately for video production is Liapix, https://www.liapix.com/. Its users will use a depth map to create a solid animated video. 720px quality is available for non-commercial use. And you may purchase the premium version for higher quality animations. You should try it out. One of the best video creation AI products available is the InVideo AI app. It offers a range of powerful features and tools to simplify the process of creating professional quality videos. You can access the app through the following link invideo.sjv.io/bad4said6 https://invideo.sjv.io/bad4said6. With InVideo AI, you can leverage AI-powered text-to-video editing, generate scripts with AI, and utilize shortcuts for quick customization. It also provides access to a vast library of templates and stock media to enhance your videos. Give it a try and experience the capabilities of AI in video creation. Here are some Android apps for an AI video generator or maker. The top best Android apps for an AI video generator or maker are Verbo, Filmora, Videoleap, Video AI, Video Robot, Synthesizer, Opus Clip. AI video creation offers a variety of tools for different needs. Here are some top choices. For complete videos from text, Colossian allows script to video with custom avatars and voices. For social media and marketing, InVideo offers templates, stock footage, and AI editing for quick content. For repurposing content, Pictory creates short clips and highlights from existing videos. For realistic avatars, Synthesizer lets you use AI-powered avatars in your videos. Which AI application is best for making videos from a few words? Crafting a video from just a few words sounds like magic, but AI applications are making it a reality. However, with so many options on the market, choosing the best one depends on your specific needs. Here's a breakdown of some leading AI video creators to help you find your perfect match. For the easy button, Lumen 5. If user-friendliness is your top priority, Lumen 5 is your champion. This AI tool shines in transforming blog posts, articles, or even social media content into engaging videos. Simply feed it your text, and Lumen 5 will use its AI magic to generate visuals, royalty-free music, and even voice-over narration. Pros: incredibly easy to use, with a drag-and-drop interface for simple customization. Ideal for repurposing existing written content into videos. Offers a free plan with limited features. Cons: limited creative control compared to some other options. May not be ideal for highly conceptual or abstract video ideas. Free plan videos have a watermark. For the social media maven, InVideo. Looking to crank out catchy social media content with minimal effort? InVideo might be your hero. This platform lets you create videos from scratch by simply providing a title and script. InVideo's AI then whips up a draft video with scenes, voiceover, and background music based on your input. Pros: perfect for social media, video creation with its focus on quick and engaging content. Offers a free plan with limited exports and watermarked videos. Wide range of templates and pre-built elements to jumpstart your video. Cons: may lack the finesse needed for highly polished or professional videos. Free plan limitations might restrict creative freedom. Customization options might feel limited for some users. For the storyteller with a budget, Flicky. Flicky caters to those who prioritize a captivating narrative alongside stunning visuals. This text-to-video tool allows you to craft a script and choose from a vast library of royalty-free video clips and images. Flicky's AI then weaves your script with the visuals, creating a cohesive and engaging video. Pros: focuses on strong storytelling through well-curated visuals. The free plan allows for basic video creation with watermarks. Renowned for its high-quality audio and vocal options. Cons: requires a bit more effort in crafting the script compared to some AI tools. Limited control over the specific visuals chosen by the AI. Free plan videos have watermarks and shorter export lengths. For the language enthusiast, Hour 1. Do you need your videos to speak volumes literally in multiple languages? Look no further than Hour 1. This AI powerhouse excels at creating multilingual video content. Simply provide your script, and Hour 1 will not only generate the video, but also translate and dub it into your chosen language. Pros: ideal for creating multilingual video content for a global audience. Offers a free trial to test out its features. Focuses on high-quality video production. Cons: pricing plans can be steeper compared to some free and basic options. May have a learning curve for those unfamiliar with script writing. Free trial limitations might restrict the exploration of full capabilities. Beyond the big names, exploring alternatives. The world of AI video creation is constantly evolving. Here are some other noteworthy options to consider. Designs.ai creative work done effortlessly, a user-friendly platform with a free plan for basic video creation. Pictree specializes in creating AI-powered video summaries and highlights from existing content. Syntheshy, while not strictly text-to-video, Syntheshy excels in creating realistic AI avatars for your videos, perfect for explainer videos or presentations. Choosing your AI champion. The best AI video creation application depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider factors like ease of use. How comfortable are you with scripting or video editing? Budget-free plans might suffice for basic needs, while premium features might require paid subscriptions. Content type. Are you creating social media snippets, explainer videos, or presentations? Target audience. Does your video require multilingual capabilities? By carefully assessing your needs and exploring the options listed above, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect AI partner to turn your words into captivating videos. Remember, experimentation is key. Don't hesitate to try out free trials or explore different platforms to discover the one that sparks your creativity. What is the top AI-powered video platform available for creating and editing videos seamlessly? Certainly. When it comes to creating and editing videos seamlessly, Adobe Premiere Pro stands out as a top AI-powered platform. Leveraging the cutting-edge Adobe Sensor AI technology, it offers a suite of features designed to enhance your video editing experience with efficiency and ease. Adobe Premiere Pro with Adobe Sensor AI. Auto Reframe. This feature intelligently adjusts the aspect ratio of your videos for different social media platforms, ensuring that the most important elements stay in focus. Scene Edit Detection. Save time with AI-powered scene detection, which quickly identifies and marks cuts in your footage, making your editing process much smoother. Speech-to-text. Generate accurate transcriptions for your videos effortlessly, simplifying the creation of captions and subtitles. Enhanced color grading. Benefit from AI-driven color correction and grading tools that suggest and apply adjustments to enhance the visual quality of your videos. Content-aware fill. Seamlessly remove unwanted objects from your video with AI technology that fills in the background naturally. Additional recommendations. Descript. This innovative platform combines transcription and video editing, allowing you to edit videos simply by editing text. It's perfect for quick and precise edits. Lumen 5, ideal for turning text content into engaging videos. Lumen 5 uses AI to create marketing videos from blog posts or articles, making content creation a breeze. InVideo, with a vast library of templates and AI-driven tools, InVideo makes it easy for anyone to produce professional-looking videos, whether for personal projects or business use. The top 4 best AI video maker apps are InVideo, Lumen 5, Magisto, and Animoto. These tools offer features like automated video editing, text-to-video capabilities, and easy customization for creating professional quality videos. What are the AI tools to make a video? You ask a great question, and it's great that you're starting to use AI tools to make videos. There are some great tools out there that can help you get better. One that stands out is Adobe Premiere Pro. It has tools like Auto Reframe that use AI to make it easy to change the aspect ratio of your videos. It changes everything about social media posts. Another great app is Lumen 5, which uses AI to turn your words into exciting videos. It's perfect for days when you have an idea but not much time. I want to tell you a story from my experience making videos. I had an excellent idea for a short film once, but I had no idea how to make it happen. I came across Runway ML, an AI tool that makes videos easier. It amazed me how simple it was to make beautiful visual effects and try out style transfer. In short, my amateur film was a masterpiece, and many people told me nice things about it. The most enjoyable part. I felt like I had a group of AI experts at my fingertips. We encourage you to use these tools and be creative. You could be amazed at what you can make. What are some good and free AI video generator websites or apps? There are many video generator websites and apps out there, but not all of them are good. Some of them are not free either. The best free AI video generator website is VideoMakerFX. It has a wide range of templates, and it's free to use. You can also add your own background music or sound effects to the videos you create with this website. Another option is Powtoon, which has a lot more templates than VideoMake effects, but it costs money to use the service.
What did you do? He's trying to do something. I don't know, Hector, you're a dickhead. You're a dickhead. You're a dickhead. Dickhead, dickhead, dickhead. Bada, 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 bada. Okay, we got all them. Now.
Tips Trick Alternative. Verbo 2. Filmora 3. Videoleap 4. Video AI 5. Video Robot 6. Synthesizer 7. Opus Clip Alternative Tips Tricks Google Search. The Opus Clip alternative that will blow your mind for free. OI Web TV. 7 Advanced Editing Tips in Videoleap. Colin Michael. Videoleap by Lightrix Mobile Video Editing. Try Videoleap AI tool to elevate your videos tutorial A video editor. Videoleap by Lightrix Mobile Video Editing. Free generative AI video tool to make viral clips Opus Clip alternative. iSocial. Choose Video.ai, the best Opus Clip alternative for AI-powered video repurposing. Easily craft viral clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Missing tips trick Verbo Filmora Videoleap Video Robot Synthesizer 7. Explore 7 awesome Videoleap alternatives that are easier to use, packed with features, and won't break the bank. Ready to level up your video game. Keep. Missing trick Verbo Filmora Video Robot Synthesizer Opus. 12th January 2024 Answer. Too Short.ai and Glossai are the best online alternatives to Opus Clip to create short videos, snippets, and reels. These online video. Missing trick Verbo Filmora Videoleap Video Robot Synthesizer. Video effect in light Videoleap tutorial. 400.
That's what I wanted to do. Like, make football highlight or highlight Hector. Make football highlight video without copyright free. By using the game user adding community about the game, how to upload a football highlight video without copyright issue. How do you do that? All these people are telling you How to upload football highlight on YouTube without copyright issue? How? Yeah, that's what I'd like to know.
How to upload football highlights on YouTube without copyright issues. 8 April 4th, 2024. How to upload football highlights on YouTube without copyright issues. To upload football highlights on YouTube without copyright issues, create a transformative content being original commentary or analysis does mal segment of the game, ensuring it's educational or offers critical value, and secure explicit permission from content owners when possible. Understanding and leveraging fair use. Fair use criteria focus on creating transformative content that adds educational, critical, or commentary value to the original work. This includes using mal portions of the original content, ensuring your work does not affect the market for the original. Fair use application apply the 4 factors of fair use: purpose, e.g., commentary, criticism, nature, factual versus fictional, amount used, aimed affecting the original work's market. Fair use protection YouTube indemnifies as creators up to $1 for legal costs, but this is limited to owner videos. Strategic video editing and content transformation. Editing techniques use tools like Clipchamp or CapCut creatively edit football highlights. This includes reversing footage, cropping, using mal segments 7 seconds, and applying effects like slow motion or color adjustments. How to upload football highlights on YouTube legally and make money. Content transformation, add original commentary, analysis, or educational value to the clips. This could involve discussing tactics, player performance, or historical context, significantly altering the original footage's purpose and meaning. Audio transcription quality, ensure clear, high-quality audio to accurately transcribe player names and key game moments. Adding further uniqueness to your content. Licensing and permissions. Licensing, secure explicit permission from content owners whenever possible. This is the most straightforward way to avoid copyright issues and can sometimes allow for full match highlights to be used. Creative Commons, source highlights under CC BY licenses when available, which allows for legal sharing with proper credit to the creators. Copyright compliance tools implement YouTube's contented system to manage copyright claims automatically. This tool helps in identifying copyrighted content and resolving claims efficiently. Fair use policy knowledge, familiarize yourself with YouTube's policy on commentary, criticism, and educational content. Use this knowledge to frame your video content within these guidelines to avoid copyright strikes. Monetization and compliance with sports leagues. La Liga monetization, follow La Liga's monetization guidelines closely if using their content. Similar rules apply for UEFA and the Premier League, where understanding and adhering to their specific monetization rules can prevent copyright issues. YouTube monetization, for channels focusing on football highlights, leveraging YouTube's monetization features requires strict adherence to copyright rules, including fair use and licensing agreements. How to use copyrighted sports clips on YouTube legally. Copyright signed Debt Busters USA. How to upload football highlights on YouTube without copyright issues in 2024. Copyright sign Profit Plan. Copyright and fair use for YouTubers. 101 lawyer explains how to not get sued on YouTube. Copyright sign Marcus Jones.
So you gotta use CapCut, Clipchamp, and or CapCut to make a reaction video. Really? Them two, copy them two, and I'm gonna have 1,000 of this Windows open. Hector. those two, Clipchamp can make a reaction movie. So say you want a reaction to a YouTube sport or something, and whatever, and all that. Yeah, CapCut. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? What again? What you do, bro? Hey, stop doing that. What are you doing, bro? Oh, okay. This time you can get away with it, bro. Okay, look. This guy, the same with the CapCut.
If you want to make reaction videos, either a horizontal reaction video for a long form YouTube video or a vertical reaction video just like this, I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone with the CapCut app. Let's just skip the intro and dive.
Okay, see, CapCut makes your reaction video. Oh, what the hell? He does. Okay, and it's got this mad guy. What's his name? How to make a reaction video on Android, CapCut. So I gotta get CapCut. Which free video editor is better? They are free, CapCut and all the other this one. Oh, okay, yep. I'm going to it. They're free, but it also will say if you want extra features like this other one, and you might say, nah, I don't need the extra. This feature that got on it is good enough. Supposedly, CapCut might take the commentary out and leave the people clapping at the back or something. If people go ooh or clap, and it'll do that. And why will it take the commentary? Because that's the only thing talking, bro. The thing talking, it takes it out for you. You're gonna. Anyway, let's listen to this shit, bro.
Which free video editor is better, CapCut, InVideo, or Clipchamp? Quora. I have used a lot of video editing software, and here are some of the best recommendations. All of these video editors are either entirely free to use, or have an excellent free version. And their use ranges from basic to advanced. 1. Blender. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Blender is an open source program that is entirely free to use. Pros perfect for advanced users who are not put off by all the features. Cons: the sheer array of features make the learning curve a little steeper. Most of the tutorials are focused on the 3D Lassie animation/modeling side. The resources to help you with the video editor are very limited. Best for more advanced projects that may involve 3D Lassie animation. 2. VidiPad. Best free video editing software for beginners. VideoPad is a great free option for anyone who wants to create high-quality videos without spending a dime. Pros: easy to edit videos and export directly to social media platforms. Cons: not suitable for professional use as it does not have many advanced features. Available for Mac, Windows. Price free. 3. Shotcut. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Shotcut is one of the best free VideoPad is a great free option for anyone who. Which free video editor is better, CapCut, InVideo, or Clipchamp? Quora. I have used a lot of video editing software, and here are some of the best recommendations. All of these video editors are either entirely free to use, or have an excellent free version. And their use ranges from basic to advanced. 1. Blender. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux.
Blender is an open source program that is entirely free to use. Pros perfect for advanced users who are not put off by all the features. Cons: the sheer array of features make the learning curve a little steeper. Most of the tutorials are focused on the 3D Lassie animation/modeling side. The resources to help you with the video editor are very limited. Best for more advanced projects that may involve 3D Lassie animation. 2. VidiPad. Best free video editing software for beginners. VideoPad is a great free option for anyone who wants to create high-quality videos without spending a dime. Pros: easy to edit videos and export directly to social media platforms. Cons: not suitable for professional use as it does not have many advanced features. Available for Mac, Windows. Price free. 3. Shotcut. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Shotcut is one of the best free video editing software programs. Pros: native timeline editing and 4K resolution support. Cons: the quirky interface may be off-putting for some users. Best for 4K HD video projects. 4. OpenShot. The easiest free video editing software for intermediate editors. OpenShot's easy-to-use user interface makes it a great video editing program for beginners. Pros: easy-to-use interface. Unlimited layers. Cons: it lags sometimes, which is inconvenient. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Price free. 5. DaVinci Resolve. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. DaVinci Resolve is arguably the most advanced video editor on the list. Pros: intuitive interfaces and incredible color correction. Cons: its wide array of features make it a little overwhelming, and not all tutorials are free. Best for more advanced projects where you need to correct colors. 6. Avademax. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Avademax is one of the best video editing software for beginners as its interface is very simple to navigate. Pros: very simple software, no need to read technical docs. Cons: not as many features as other video editors. Best for basic editing tasks for beginners. 7. HitFilm Express. Available for both Mac and Windows. HitFilm Express is one of the more professional video editors to make the list. The free package includes over 180 special effects. Pros: truly professional video editor without the price tag. Cons: may take some time to learn the interface. Best for YouTuber vlogs, YouTube uploading is built in. 8. InVideo. Available on Windows and Mac. This online video editing tool is great for marketers, publishers, individuals, and agencies alike. Pros: awesome to easily make quick presentation videos. Cons: it is not an all-in-one video editor, as you cannot add more than one audio file, etc. Best for creating marketing videos or listicles for your blog. 9. Amovi. Available on Mac. Good old Amovi comes baked into macOS. Like most native Mac apps, this video editor is very intuitive to use. Pros: easy to learn. Cons: advanced users may find features a little limited, import and render times can be a little slow. Best for Mac users getting started with video editing. 10. VSDC Free Video Editor. Available on Windows. One of the best free video editing software, only available on Windows, is VSDC. The free version has a powerful set of features including color correction and audio editing. Pros: relatively straightforward to learn with many powerful features. Cons: technical support is not free, Windows only. Best for Windows-based editing projects. 9. Amovi. Available on Mac. Good old Amovi comes baked into macOS. Like most native Mac apps, this video editor is very intuitive to use. Pros: easy to learn. Cons: advanced users may find features a little limited, import and render times can be a little slow. Best for Mac users getting started with video editing. 10. VSDC Free Video Editor. Available on Windows. One of the best free video editing software, only available on Windows, is VSDC. The free version has a powerful set of features including color correction and audio editing. Pros relatively straightforward to learn with many powerful features. Cons technical support is not free, Windows only. Best for Windows-based editing projects. Use the free video editing software in this list to start creating stunning videos today. Boost your ROI and maximize your ad spend by creating product videos and ads that present your brand in a visually. Cons it is not an all-in-one video. 6. OpenShot's easy-to-use user interface makes it a great video editing program for beginners. Pros. Easy-to-use interface. Unlimited layers. Cons. It lags sometimes, which is inconvenient. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Price free. 5. DaVinci Resolve. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. DaVinci Resolve is arguably the most advanced video editor on the list. Pros intuitive interfaces and incredible color correction. Cons its wide array of features make it a little overwhelming, and not all tutorials are free. Best for more advanced projects where you need to correct colors. 6. Other Demax. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Other Demax is one of the best video editing software for beginners as its interface is very simple to navigate. Pros very simple software, no need to read technical docs. Cons not as many features as other video editors. Best for basic editing tasks for beginners. 7. HitFilm Express. Available for both Mac and Windows. HitFilm Express is one of the more professional video editors to make the list. The free package includes over 180 special effects. Pros truly professional video editor without the price tag. Cons may take some time to learn the interface. Best for YouTuber vlogs, YouTube uploading is built in. 8. InVideo. Available on Windows and Mac. This online video editing tool is great for marketers, publishers, individuals and agencies alike. Pros awesome to easily make quick presentation videos. Cons it is not an all-in-one video editor, as you cannot add more than one audio file, etc. Best for creating marketing videos or listicles for your blog. 9. Amovi. Available on Mac. Good old Amovi comes baked into macOS. Like most native Mac apps, this video editor is very intuitive to use. Pros easy to learn. Cons advanced users may find features a little limited, import and render times can be a little slow. Best for Mac users getting started with video editing. 10. VSDC Free Video Editor. Available on Windows. One of the best free video editing software, only available on Windows, is VSDC. The free version has a powerful set of features including color correction and audio editing. Pros relatively straightforward to learn with many powerful features. Cons technical support is not free, Windows only. Best for Windows-based editing projects. Use the free video editing software in this list to start creating stunning videos today. Boost your ROI and maximize your ad spend by creating product videos and ads that present your brand in a visually appealing way. So, let's summarize and take a look at the video editing software that best suits your needs. What video editing software is the best for beginners? Avidemax, OpenShot, VidiPad. What video editing software to use for advanced projects with 3D lassie animation? Blender. What video editing software to use for 4K HD video projects? Shotcut. What video editing software is best for Windows-based editing projects? VSDC. What video editing software is best for Mac users getting started with video editing? Amovi. What video editing software is best for video splicing? Machete Lite. What video editing software is best for uploading vlogs to YouTube? HitFilm Express. What video editing software is best if you need to correct colors? DaVinci Resolve. What video editing software is the best to modify and convert videos, extract audio from video clips, and embed videos to websites? FreeMake. What mobile app to use when you need to edit a video quickly? Splice, Quick, Adobe Premiere Rush. What mobile app is best for capturing videos horizontally? Horizon. What Instagram video editing apps are the best for quick video edits? Magisto, Apple Clips. What Instagram app is best for turning photos into video content? Boomerang, available on iOS and Android. What Instagram video editing app is best for turning audio files into social shares? Anchor Video Maker, available on iOS and Android. What Instagram video app is the best for shooting time-lapse? Hyperlapse. What Instagram video app is the best for adding text, themes, and overlays to customize videos? Filmarago. Take your desktop, mobile, and Instagram videos to the next level by using these video editors to quickly achieve professional results. Happy editing.
Which one? I like the end beat. This one. It's Splice, Quick, Adobe Premiere Rush. Splice. So we could go one by one, like this one. Okay. Copy. Then go over here. Go out of there. Go in there. Then look for the word Splice, like that. See if it's real. This one. And then about the app. Can we enlarge it? No, can't enlarge it. I couldn't be bothered reading it though. You have to stop at any time. Stop at any time. So you can read it. Wish you can go higher. What's new? New day. New day, new you, new version of Spice. We are kicked of our curve. I think I know what to do. I think I know something. But lo perderlo. Are you going to lose it, Hector? Boring. Gone. Look, it's gone. Only got Spice as a copy. You're silly. You're silly, Hector. You're silly. Anyway. And what was Spice anyway? We'll go Spice. Paste Spice.
The best video editing app Splice. Create videos that blow minds. The most powerful mobile video editor around. Download Splice and start creating stunning videos within minutes. The choice of professionals. All the power of a desktop video editor in the palm of your hand. When professional content creators and influencers need their videos to stand out on social media, they rely on Splice. Create and share videos wherever you want, whenever you want, in just a few taps. Whether I'm outside enjoying the California sunshine or inside hanging out, editing with Splice has made it easy to create my art time lapses during any point of my day. At Ball to Design Co. Content creator. Accessible by everyone. 4.7 rating on the App Store. Spliss's remarkably intuitive look and feel makes video editing accessible to everyone. Powerful editing tools aren't just for pros. Amateurs looking to shoot, edit, and share can create something spectacular in next to no time. Discover what people are creating with Splice. Our wonderfully talented creators are here to show you what's possible with Splice. Check out some of our community best edits on our social media channels. Don't forget to share your own using number Splice. Ready to start editing with Splice. Join more than 70 million delighted splicers. Download Splice Video Editor now and share stunning videos on social media within minutes. Copyright Sinai Creativity.
Spice. Okay. I think I know. But I don't know what I thought. What happened is that CapCut, eBay, they all go fucking money. Well, we can't get where the video one is hacked up. It'll go on, mate. Anyway, I must go now. This is crazy. God. I'm intimate sector. I've done what I done and did what I did in intimate sector. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.